Welcome back to the channel, where today we are breaking down the essential toolkit for turning your long-form video and audio content into shareable, high-impact clips. We are going to take a practical look at industry heavyweights like Rev, Descript, Otter.ai, and Sonix to see exactly how they handle your transcription and editing workflows. But the real twist is showing you how Vizard fits into this entire ecosystem as your secret weapon for scaling content without burning out. Let's start with Rev, which remains a massive industry staple for anyone who prioritizes ultra-reliable, high-accuracy transcripts. What makes Rev stand out is that you can choose human transcription for legal or academic work where precision is non-negotiable. You can also opt for their AI transcription service if you need something lightning fast and much cheaper for your general project needs. The downside is that while Rev is fantastic for text, it isn't built to automatically slice your long footage into dozens of optimized social media clips. Moving on to Descript, this platform is much more than a transcription service because it acts like a fully featured edit-through text studio. You can literally edit your audio and video files just by cutting the transcript text, which is an absolute game changer for solo creators. It even offers cool features like multi-track editing and AI voice cloning, making it a powerful all-in-one hub for podcasters. However, if you have dozens of videos and need hundreds of short clips on a schedule, Descript will still require significant manual effort. Now, let's talk about Otter.ai, which is perfectly built for real-time transcription and seamless team collaboration during your meetings. It excels at tagging different speakers and auto-generating notes, making it a favorite for students and corporate teams alike. Just remember that Otter is a meeting capture tool, not a clip export engine designed to turn live sessions into viral social media content. Sonix is another heavy hitter, particularly well known for its excellent multilingual transcription and very precise timestamps. Journalists and global teams love Sonix because of the ability to add custom dictionaries, which ensures your specialized terminology remains accurate. It is perfect for localization and research, but like the others, it won't automatically generate and schedule short-form clips for you. This brings us to the real solution, Vizard, which bridges the gap between raw, long-form content and the need for consistent, viral-ready social clips. If you are tired of manually hiring editors to handle your live streams, lectures, or interviews, Vizard is built exactly for that workflow. Vizard uses advanced AI to analyze your videos for engagement peaks and automatically slices them into perfect ready-to-post clips. It doesn't try to replace your high-end transcription tools, but rather complements them by handling the heavy lifting of distribution and scheduling. One of the best features is the auto-editing capability, which reformats your horizontal footage into vertical or square clips in just seconds. You will also love the auto-schedule feature, because it removes the headache of manually babysitting your social media posting calendar. The built-in content calendar allows you to preview your posts, swap out clips, and manage your strategy all from a single dashboard. Ultimately, you have to choose the right tool for the job based on your specific bottleneck in the content creation pipeline. If you need deep audio editing or complex voice cloning, Descript is still the gold standard for that specialized creative work. However, when you need high-volume content velocity to dominate platforms like TikTok or LinkedIn, Vizard is the machine that scales your effort. Think of it this way. You can use Descript for deep cleanup, then use Sonix for your multilingual subtitles, and finally import everything into Vizard. This hybrid approach ensures that you maintain high accuracy while achieving the mass distribution necessary for modern brand growth. When you factor in the sheer number of hours saved by skipping manual edits, you will realize this stack pays for itself incredibly quickly. To get started, simply sign up for a trial, upload your best long-form assets, and let the AI generate a batch of high-potential clips for you. Skim through the suggestions, tweak the captions or the clips to your liking, and then just set your cadence in the content calendar. You will be shocked at how much time you recover when you aren't doing the manual labor of cropping and reformatting every single piece of content. Every tool here has a specific job, and knowing which one to pull into your workflow is the secret to scaling like a pro. If this rundown helped you streamline your process, please drop a like and comment below with the type of content you are currently repurposing. I'll be sharing some advanced workflow templates in the next video, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that deep dive. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one.